What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Swish Like Garage, and today I just wanted to make a quick video of me actually unboxing some of the parts I had gotten for the Prelude. Now I hope you guys are just as excited as I am for these parts, and to be honest, these parts that I got, I'm not sure quite exactly when I'm going to be installing them, but I wanted to go ahead and have them in my possession. So you know, these aren't cheap parts, but I wanted them in my possession so when the time is right, I could go ahead and just install them and not worry about having to buy them, and if I have the cash at the time. And so I went ahead and got them. Before I show the unboxing of these two parts, I wanted to show you another part which I did not make an unboxing video, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys now before I show you the other clips. Alright, you already see what we got here. This is the Honda S300 to go ahead and tune the car. It is OD1, obviously. That's what everyone does with the OD2 cars. Is there's other actually, I guess, tuning computers and stuff that you could be using, but the most popular one would be Honda. Now this is pretty pricey nonetheless, but I mean, depends how you view it. But see what you could be doing here: programming, onboard, data logging, analog inputs, launch control, boost control, nitrous control, Honda mobile, ethanol sensor input, and also has the Bluetooth capability. And right here we actually have the ECU here. Got it from HA Motorsports. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out this bubble wrap real quick. Alright, so here it is. I went ahead and got the clear cover for it as well. It says Honda etched in there. Check it out. And there is the Honda. And then you just connect it with the USB cord, connect it to the computer. I actually have to get a computer. I only have a Mac, so it's not capable to work with the Mac. It's real nice, real clean. The outer casing has been redone too. Just real nice. Also, to go ahead and make it work, went ahead and got the OD2 to OD1 connector. This is not one of the cheap eBay ones. This is one of the legit ones. Got it from HA Motorsports as well. Just another look. Now all that's inside of this box here, I guess we could go ahead and open it up. You guys probably wondering what's in here. We're just going to have the cord, as well as a connector, and a sticker, the most important part. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you this real quick, and gonna go ahead and show you what else I had gotten for the Prelude. Alright, so I just got off work and this was waiting for me as soon as I got home. You guys can see that. I got it from ICB Motorsport. Go ahead and open it up and show you what it is. Go ahead and check these guys out. ICB Motorsport. You guys can see right there, it is actually the fog light for the Prelude. Brand new, the right fog light. This one's the left fog light. Brand new. And here we have some instructions. And there it is right there. Got the JDM fog light button in here, some zip ties, and it looks like a relay and some nuts and bolts. But here it is. Here's the whole wiring harness that you need to install the fog lights. But yeah, this is all brand new from Honda Axis, and as soon as I saw this, I wanted it immediately, and I just went ahead and bought it. Didn't even think about it. Alright, so just picked this up. Haven't even opened it yet. I'm going to go ahead and record it. Obviously it's a bumper, and hopefully you guys like what I bought. And let me just go ahead and open it up and say no more. So here it is. It is the JDM Prelude front bumper, obviously factory front bumper, with the Type S lip on it, and also it has the fog lights, which seem to be in good condition, along with the turn signals. Fog light, and the lip does have some scratches here and there, which pretty much expect from a OEM type of lip, something that came on the car. But I mean, everything seems pretty fixable. Some more damages here. The damage to the bumper is about right here in the corner. Can be fixed though, and right here. Nothing to really worry about. Scrapes and bumps here. The lip does need a little work here. It's separated from like this bracket here. I mean, easy fixes. Easy fixes. Should look clean on the Prelude. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wait to paint it and then put it on. I don't know yet, but at least I have this part. It's something I've been wanting. Real clean. Difference, it doesn't have the little yellow piece. See how on the side it has a little amber piece on there. This one's just real clean. Kind of like how I had my Del Sol. I mean, I did the Del Sol myself. I didn't actually buy a bumper. Can't wait to install it though. Well, alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this little vid I put together. And tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you think I should go ahead and just throw on the bumper, or if I should get it painted. Me personally, I think I should get it painted, but painting it does obviously cost some money. Or I was also thinking of maybe showing you guys some body work and possibly trying to go ahead and paint it myself. You know, just showing you how I do it at the house. But materials do cost. You know, it's not cheap. I don't use cheap materials, so it does cost some money. But anyways guys, leave a comment, drop a like, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 1,400 subscribers. At 1,500 subscribers, I'm gonna go ahead and do a giveaway, so make sure and subscribe and watch out for that video. Well, alright guys, hope to see you guys on the next video, and we're going to keep on working, keep on buying more parts, and you know, I'm going to keep on working on this channel, and hopefully we keep it growing, keep it moving, and bigger projects ahead. And watch out for some more videos. Like I said, I got another project coming up, and hopefully you guys enjoy as well. Alright?